The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission has once again come under criticism, this time from the men of the cloth. The National Council of Churches shifting focus to the IEBC. In its view, as currently constituted, the Electoral Commission has no credibility to handle the forthcoming general elections.
One of the options may be paying off the current commissioners for the remainder of their term.
NCCK joins the line of discourse also adopted by the opposition CORD, which has been calling for the disbandment of the electoral body on claims of corruption.
Unless something is done to reform the IEBC and change the law significantly, not only in terms of the Elections Act and the Constitution, then the controversies around elections, the conflicts around the elections will continue.
Just last week, Catholic bishops also termed corruption allegations facing the Supreme Court and the IEBC as a major cause of concern. However, the government has maintained its stance that due process must be followed and that the clamor for change at the electoral body should only be applied within the law.
IEBC wanaweza kubadilishwa, lakini lazima utapitia sheria ya Kenya.
But what does it take to make changes to the electoral body? Parliament must okay the necessary amendments and provide a send-off package which runs into millions of shillings. Now let's look at the numbers. According to the 2015-2016 budget, the National Treasury pays 82 million Kenya shillings in salaries and 50.8 million Kenya shillings in allowances for the 9 IEBC commissioners every year. Now this translates to a total of 11.1 million per month. If they agree to exit, the current commissioners would be paid 210 million Kenya shillings based on their current salaries, while the incoming commissioners, if remunerated at the same rate, will earn a maximum pay of 210 million Kenya shillings. Therefore, taking this route would mean that it would cost the taxpayer almost 436.7 million Kenya shillings to send home and replace the 9 electoral commissioners. The term for the current IEBC commissioners expires in November next year. NCCK has also turned the heat on the judiciary. It argues that the credibility of the Supreme Court has been tainted, and as such, the judiciary should set its 4 years in order. They also want the infighting over the succession of the Chief Justice resolved and the process carried out in a credible manner. Now, although the situation remains fluid with certain names popping up as others fizzle out, some have remained a constant. Among these include Supreme Court Judge Justice Smokin Wanjala, President of the Appeals Court Justice Kihara Kariuki, Justices Isaac Lena Ola and Sagam Bogoli of the High Court. Others are Attorney General Githu Muigai, former Speaker of Parliament Kenneth Marende, and former Chair of the Constitution Implementation Committee Charles Nyacha. Willis Raburu, Citizen Weekend.